Today I want to show you this Italian orange cookie recipe. So easy, so simple, you will love this recipe, and I promise you, you will make it because it's so fast and so delicious. So first we need to take zest of the orange and put it aside for a while. Mix your dry ingredients, add orange zest there and mix it together. Then add sugar and butter room temperature and start mixing until butter is all mixed in with the dry ingredients. Meanwhile, I took an egg and I divided it. We don't need egg white, we just need the yolk. So when your dough resembles sand, add egg yolk there and mix it again. If you think your dough is too dry, add a little bit of cold water. Add vanilla for a flavor and mix together until your dough becomes in one bowl. Then put it on a plastic wrap. I flatten it a little bit, cover it with the plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for about half an hour. After your dough is chilled, sprinkle a little bit of flour and roll it. And now you can use any cookie cutter you want. You don't have to use cookie cutter, you can just roll a ball or cut out of just half moon shape with your, I don't know, glass or something. Anything you like you can use, because it really doesn't matter what shape your cookies are, because it's so delicious. So when you're done making your cookies, put them on a baking sheet and put them in the oven and bake them for about 10 minutes. Let them cool a little bit, sprinkle them with the powdered sugar and your cookies are ready. They are so delicious. The aroma of the orange is amazing and they are soft and crumbly. I promise you, you will love these cookies. So I hope you will make them and I'll see you in my next video.